everybody. Today I wanted to talk to you about another cool little Python script that I used to create another Alfred workflow, and that's to see what a particular day name is of a specific date. So I would do this, for example, command spacebar and do DTE, and I would search for, let's say, 324. What's 324? And you'll get 324 is a Sunday, March 24th, 2024. And this little script will only work on the current year. And I did it that way because I wanted to be able to write days like, for example, 3/9, and it gives you Saturday, March 9th. I did it that way so I didn't have to do a 3/09, for example, or I didn't have to do a 03, for example. Although they apparently still work, but I wanted the date to be of the current year because I didn't want to worry about requiring the typing of 2-digit numbers for each day and the date. So that's why I did it this way. And now let me show you the other part. Is I can do a command spacebar again and type semicolon AS. I don't know why AS. It goes ask for a date, and I can do again 320. 324, and then for this I have to hit enter. Did it work? Comma AS 324. Copy. That didn't work, maybe because Alfred is being talked about somehow, but let's see if this worked. And yes, it did work. Usually, I think the notifications are off because of Alfred recording, but I would also see 324 as a notification. And then it also, why I did the command this way is because this particular command, the semicolon AS, and then the date, copies the date onto the system clipboard and says 3/24 is Sunday, March 24th, 2024. So that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at the workflow itself. So I go command spacebar again, and then go to command comma, and the ask date right here is their date ask. So right here I have the same script both here in the script filter and the run script for this workflow. And I'm sure there's a way to make this one manage both, but I haven't figured that out quite yet. But in this one here, you can see that here's the script, and it gives you get day of the week. And I'm sorry, I said earlier this is a Python script, but no, it's a bash script. And you get the day of the week by typing 1:30, for example. And this is a comment. This is not affecting the script. And then the title, it gives you in the Alfred search, it gives you the title as get day of the week and then the input. So that's why it gives you the result of your query in the search results of Alfred. So DTE 324. Yep, 324, 323, 322, and so on. And that's the script for the script filter. If you put this exact script into the other one, it won't work. Let's take a look at the run script version. And here, as you can see, it's a little bit different. It'll echo the day of the week, and it'll give you the get day of the week and then the input, whatever the user inputted. And that will go into both. When it's not recording, it will post a notification, and then but it does also copy it to the clipboard. Now I want this one to also copy it to the clipboard, but the copying did not work on this particular filter or script filter because it does present the results in the Alfred search results. But that's another cool workflow that I created using both Alfred and a little bash scripting. And I do apologize for saying it was a Python script, but no, this is a bash script. All right, and that's what I have for you guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed what you saw. You can take what you saw and use it to improve your workflow and share it with others. All right, and that's what I have for you today. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe, comment, and share it with others that may enjoy this video. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out, guys.